Hi guys, welcome to Java Motorcycle Showroom, Banjara Hills. Location road number 12, Banjara Hills, MLA Colony Road. Please welcome to our showroom, Java Motorcycle. Yeah, here is let's new Java vehicles, all are new variants with best features and low CC. All new colors also available in the Java 3 variants. First of all, the vehicle main basic vehicles are Java 42. This all are getting new colors with new features. So coming to the Java 42, this is a Starlight Blue vehicle, also available in a single channel ABS and dual channel ABS also. See guys, looking for this Java 42, we have very beautiful features like radiator fan or liquid cooled engine and latest speedometer style and headlight also with widely handle. So coming to apart from the dual silencers, we have and 300cc vehicle, 14 liters tank capacity. Okay. So the vehicle weight also is very low, 172 kgs, and very low price also. In single ABS, its cost is 1,98,000, and dual ABS also 2,08,000 on road price for comparing to other segments. BHP also is very high, 27 BHP is there for this Java 42 vehicles. So coming to another variant like Java Classic, we have like retro style, old model retro style. So like speedometer, headlight, and also is like giving SD model type. In this Classic is special features like getting with chrome finishing, more like chrome finishing. In this colors we have three colors: Java Classic Maroon, black, and white. So in this also features also same, like getting dual silencer and radiator fan, oil coolant engine, with including very beautiful colors. So they have also available in a single disc brake and dual disc brake also, like 172 kgs in this Classic Java also. The on-road cost is dual ABS 2,22,000, very low price in the comparing to other segments, with including chrome finishing colors. So coming to another variant, like the most beautiful design by Bobber style, like Java Perak. The Perak is a very beautiful vehicle. In this segment, we have 350cc engine, and 179 kgs, 14 liters tank capacity, and giving radiator fan also, radiator fan, liquid cooled engine, coming with tubeless tires, and with dual disc brakes, and with ABS also available in this. So completely this vehicle is like a totally sensor system, electronic vehicle, without kicks, only electric start. So very beautiful design, only single seat available, and only single color only available in this vehicle. So coming to tank capacity, also same 14 liters tank capacity, weight also 179 kgs, and BHP is very high, the 30 BHP is there, 31 torque is there. So riding comfortable and zero vibrations, including new color Java Bob, totally completely Bobber style in this Java Perak vehicle. So coming to all other Java 42 also, colors are also available, like 6 colors we have available, like 2 glossy colors, one is red, one is Nebula blue, and another color is Hali steel. Another color is Hali steel. This is also very beautiful color, like giving like a snow type color, mint color. So customers also attracting for this color also. In this 42 also available single ABS and dual ABS also. Depend upon customer choice. The weight, CC, all are same, like 300cc engine vehicles. Coming to red color also, this is a very glossy color, beautiful color given by Java. And the main thing is the total Java is producing by Indian company. Now Indian company, totally they are undertaking like Mahindra, they are doing Mahindra. A special thanks to Mahindra also. So coming to Java, so Java is first started in the European countries in 1929 year. So after that, so comparing to Java in 1929, so they are launching some beautiful vehicles like old model SD model type. So after that we are relaunching like models Java 42. After that in 2018 we are relaunching the new vehicles like Java 42, Java Classic, and Java Perak. So coming to our Java service center also, we are attaching with our service center showroom only. So this is our service center. For customers, there is very easy to give their vehicles for service here also. We are very beautiful service center, and so coming to our technicians also trained with company also. They are working with very comfortable servicing also. Coming to vehicle servicing, first we have all general checkup for servicing. In general service, we are doing oil change, oil filter replace and oil coolant and chain cleaning, lubrication, all general checkup also available. And we are service centers also available like Gachibowli and Kukatpalli also and Secunderabad also.